May violation na naman ang TikTok shop mo. Naku, hindi ka na naman makakabenta. Mababa na naman ang views ng video mo dahil you are in TikTok jail. Ano nga bang pwede natin gawin pag ganito? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng mga points na yan? At paano ba makalabas sa TikTok jail na ito? Halika, pag-usapan natin, Mars. Healthy ba yung TikTok shop mo? Let's check. So, go to your profile, then click the basket, and then enter your shop. Pagdating mo sa shop mo, scroll up. At the bottom, makikita mo yung account standing. Click that. Ito ang makikita mo. Kung may violation ka, magkakaroon ng points dito sa taas. At yon ang standing ng iyong account. Let's check the points. So here is some information from TikTok about points violation. Okay? So kung ang shop mo ay 0 to 8 points, your account health status is good. Keep up with current performance and continue to follow our policies. So hanggang 8 points lang. Pag lumagpas ka dyan, may penalty ka na. Okay, let's move forward. 9 to 11 points, if you violate our policies again, your account might be restricted from promoting products in your showcase videos and live videos. So may restriction na. Hindi ka makakapagbenta for a certain time if you have 9 to 11 points. Now, 12 to 14 points, you violated our policies multiple times. Your account will be restricted from promoting products for 1 day. So, isang buong araw kang hindi makakapag-promote ng products. Oh, so lumagpas ka ng 14 days, anong mangyayari? 15 to 17 points, you violated our policies multiple times, your account will be restricted from promoting products for 2 days. Ayan, so kung lumagpas ng 14 points, 2 days kang hindi makakapagbenta. Now, 18 to 20 points, naku, tumaas na. You violated our policies multiple times, your account will be restricted from promoting products for 3 days. Now, kung lumagpas ng 20 points, nako, yan, your account will be restricted from promoting products for 1 week, 7 days. And of course, 24 points, critical violations. So, kung umabot ka ng 24 points, guys, hindi ka na makakapag-TikTok shop. Hindi ka na makakapagbenta dahil permanently restricted na ang account mo. Okay, screenshot mo na. I know sometimes parang unreasonable yung mga violations, hindi ba? But the community guidelines are there for a reason. It is to protect our buyers and of course our sellers and affiliates sa mga manloloko at mga gustong umabuso ng sistema ng TikTok. Kung makakuha ka ng violation, huwag kang matakot, huwag kang ma-discourage kasi lahat naman tayo nakakakuha niyan. Kasi ang initial na nag-check ng ating mga posts, especially about products, ay AI or Artificial Intelligence. Now, kung magkaroon ng appeal or magkaroon ng problema ang system, at sa palagay mo wala ka naman talagang ginawang mali, you can always click appeal. Whenever you submit an appeal, make sure na may screenshots to prove your point na kung bakit hindi ka dapat may violation. Kung sakaling hindi tinanggap ang appeal mo, you can always submit a report. Go to the help center. It's at the bottom of your TikTok shop. Merong get help here. Then scroll all the way up. May nakalagay doon, submit a report. Kausapin mo si TikTok, mag-message ka ulit. Or you can chat with their people na nakikipag-chat sa mga kailangan ng tulong. At kung talagang mapatunayan na may kasalanan ka, tanggapin mo na lang. And you have to wait 90 days, 3 months, para mawala yung violation mo. And of course, be careful not to break any more rules para hindi ka ma-restrict. Alright? If you find this helpful, tag a friend, share this, and of course, if you want to learn more,
Buy my bookmark, Secrets and Rackets, from my TikTok shop.